Lakeland Industries produces the highest quality Interceptor encapsulated vapor-proof suits in order to protect workers in a variety of environments. In order to ensure they are providing adequate protection, these garments should be tested before and after each use, and at least annually, whether the suit was used or not. Let's review the correct procedure for testing your Lakeland Interceptor encapsulated suit. The suit should be tested in a controlled environment away from any open doors or windows. Unpack the suit from its storage bag. When you unpack the suit to be tested, place the face shield face down on top of the storage bag. This prevents the face shield from being scratched. Straighten the body of the suit, being sure to remove all folds and wrinkles. Release the Velcro and open up the back of the suit. This will allow the suit to reach room temperature and gain access to the exhaust valves. Normally, Lakeland suits will have a protective shield referred to as the exhaust valve covers over the exhaust valves. For the instructional purposes of this video, the protective shields on this suit have been removed so that you can see the process in greater detail. Start at the top of the suit, near the head. Simply snap the exhaust valve cover off the exhaust valve. Then, remove the rubber diaphragm from the exhaust valve. To accomplish this, gently stretch the tail of the exhaust valve from the inside of the suit. At the same time, pull the diaphragm out of the valve from the front. Now that you have removed the cover and diaphragm from the first valve, you can remove the valve cover and diaphragm from the second valve. This valve is located at the left side of the torso. Simply repeat the same process by removing the exhaust valve cover, then gently stretching the tail of the exhaust valve from the inside of the suit and pulling the diaphragm out of the valve from the front. At this point in the process, you have removed the covers and rubber diaphragms from two exhaust valves. If you are testing an NFPA certified suit, you will need to remove the third set of valve covers and rubber diaphragms. The test kit includes everything you need to complete the pressure test. Included in the 00220 test kit is a 1-inch gray air hose, 1/4-inch clear plastic tubing with male and female fittings, an electrical power cord, 1 Twistlock adapter with a 1-inch male fitting, and 1 Twistlock adapter with a 1/4-inch male fitting. If you have an NFPA test kit, there is an additional Twistlock plug. Also included in the kit is a timer and a self-contained magnehelic gauge and an air blower. Now that we have reviewed the contents of the 00220 kit, let's install the Twistlock adapters. First, remove the Twistlock adapter with the large 1-inch male fitting from the test kit. This adapter has a rubber washer. It is very important that you lubricate this washer before you insert it into the exhaust valve. Mix 1 teaspoon of dishwashing detergent with 1 cup of water. Then, moisten the rubber washer on the Twistlock adapter with the soap and water solution to ensure good adhesion for the testing. Start at the top of the suit. Insert the Twistlock adapter with the 1-inch large male fitting into the exhaust valve at the head of the suit. Always place one hand inside the suit under the exhaust valve when installing the adapter to avoid damaging the face shield and suit material. To lock the valve in place, simply turn it clockwise. From inside the suit, here's what the adapter would look like as it is locked into place. Now that you have correctly installed the first Twistlock adapter, remove the Twistlock with the small 1/4-inch male adapter from the kit. You will now repeat the same process for the Twistlock adapter. Moisten the rubber washer on the Twistlock adapter with soap and water solution before inserting it into the exhaust valve. Insert the Twistlock adapter into the lower exhaust valve, twisting it clockwise to lock it in place. If you're testing an NFPA suit, you will have to repeat the process a third time using the supplied Twistlock adapter plug. Insert this adapter into the third exhaust valve. Start closing the zippers 6 to 12 inches at a time. It is important to close the zippers slowly so that you keep the zipper in optimum condition. As you get to the end of the zipper, there's a plastic tab. It's very important that the zipper passes this point and that you zip all the way to the top. If you don't, the suit will leak and fail the pressure test. Before you start the test, you need to check the needle on the Magnehelic gauge for calibration. Make sure the needle is exactly on 0. If the needle does not read 0, simply turn the adjusting screw until the needle points to 0. Once you have completed the calibration, you're ready to connect the clear plastic tubing and gray air hose. Remove the 1-inch gray air hose from the test kit. At the top of the suit, insert the large female fitting of the gray air hose over the male fitting on the Twistlock adapter. Insert the male end of the gray air hose into the female plug on the test kit control panel. Remove the clear 1/4-inch tubing from the test kit. Now you are ready to connect the tubing to the adapter plug at the torso. Insert the female fitting over the small male fitting on the Twistlock adapter on the right side of the torso. Take the other end of the tubing and insert the male fitting into the 1/4-inch female fitting on the test kit control panel. Insert the female end of the electric power cord into the test kit control panel and the male end into a 120-volt AC outlet. Once everything is attached, you're ready to begin the pressurization. Turn the test kit blower switch to on and slowly turn the yellow air valve handle to open. As the suit slowly inflates, work out any big wrinkles in the suit that might interfere with the test. By removing the wrinkles, you are ensuring an adequate test. When the pressure on the test gauge reaches 5 inches of water column, turn the yellow air valve handle to close and turn the test kit blower to off. Never inflate the suit over 5 inches of water column, as this will damage the suit and test kit. Make sure there are no big wrinkles in the suit that might interfere with the test. Now set the timer to exactly 4 minutes. Once the timer is set, reduce the air pressure in the suit to 4 inches of water column. Do this by partially opening the yellow air valve handle. Once you reach 4 inches of water column pressure, close the handle to off. It is at this time that the test really starts. Press the Start-Stop button on the timer to begin the 4-minute countdown. Do not move or touch the suit during the timed test, as this will affect the water column pressure and result in inaccurate readings. At the end of the 4 minutes, record the suit pressure. If the suit pressure is 3.2 inches of water column or better, the suit has passed the test. If the suit pressure is below 3.2 inches of water column, it fails the test. Remove the suit from service immediately. Once you have completed the test, disconnect the tubing and hose from the Twistlock adapters and release the air pressure in the suit by unzipping the zipper 12 inches at a time. Remove the Twistlock adapters from the exhaust valves. Reinstall the rubber diaphragms back into the exhaust valves. Pinch the rubber diaphragm sides against each other. Then push the tail of the diaphragm into the exhaust valve. Pull on the tail slightly and the rubber diaphragm should pop right into place. The diaphragm should lay flat if it's installed properly. If it isn't flat, remove it and reinstall it. Here the diaphragm has been pulled too tight and is crumpled out of shape. This view shows a properly installed diaphragm lying flat against the valve. Now that the rubber diaphragm is in place, snap the exhaust valve cover back into position and repeat this process for the remaining adapters. Now the suit is ready to be placed into the storage bag. First, fold the feet into the legs. Fold the arms accordion style onto the back of the suit. fold the legs of the suit over. In order to fit properly in the storage bag, both legs must be folded as shown. Once the arms and legs are folded, you're going to roll fold the suit over. Start at the bottom and work toward the top. It is important that you do not crease the hood face shield during the process. Once you have folded the suit, insert it into the storage bag for future use. Once the test is complete, fill in the inspection date and name of the inspector in your manual, along with any remarks you may have. Once the suit is in the storage bag, you can place all the elements of the test kit back in the box. To conserve battery life on the timer, you can remove the battery cover and flip the battery over. If you have any questions about the testing procedure, please call Lakeland Customer Service at 1-800-645-9291. We'd be happy to answer any questions you may have about this important process.